So you're interested in applying for a position as part of the housekeeping team at El Dorado Furniture. One of the things that we take particular pride in here at El Dorado is our boulevard concept, which sets us apart from other furniture stores. As our customers walk through our doors and enter the boulevard, we want to ensure it conveys a uniquely inviting experience. And that's where this very important role comes into play. And now we're going to have some insight from Julia on what a housekeeping team player can expect. Hey, Julia.
Hey, Melissa, how are you?
I'm doing really well today, thank you.
Oh, good. So in order to ensure that our boulevard generates that wow reaction on behalf of customers, it's the housekeeping team's responsibility to maintain its cleanliness and, assist with any maintenance required.
With this description, Julia, it goes without saying that being detail-oriented and organized are key components of the job. After all, the housekeeping team helps maintain our extensive and beautiful showroom's overall look.
Yeah, no, exactly, Melissa. So we definitely want our home furnishing galleries to reflect the professionalism and style El Dorado is known for. So the housekeeping team is also responsible for ensuring that all merchandise has the properly assigned product information displayed. This not only benefits the customer as they shop, but it also helps the sales team as well.
Oh, wow. It's all connected. Yeah. And I'm sure that our customers can really appreciate that.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely right. It is all connected. And speaking about customers, our housekeeping team is also responsible for enhancing our customer shopping experience with coffee service preparations at our cafe lounge area. So customers can either relax and take a quick coffee break or indulge while they shop.
Now that's what I call a unique shopping experience. Yeah. And 5-star service.
Exactly. Oh, another thing to keep in mind is that with this position, your schedule may include holidays and some weekends, but these are because these are peak times. And we always want to make sure that our showrooms are presentable and ready for all our guests. So, you would be a true key player.
Thank you so much for this, Julia.
Yeah, no problem. Okay, so I'm going to go check and see if the coffee is ready because it's about that time.
Well, I'll be right over soon to join you for a much-needed coffee break.
Una persona en mi posición para tener éxito en su trabajo debe ser una persona trabajadora, una persona responsable, servicial, prestar gran atención a los detalles y eso le va a permitir poder realizar su trabajo con calidad.
Las características que requiere una persona para desempeñar mi posición con éxito son muchas. Pienso que primeramente tenemos que ser humildes. Tenemos que ser apasionados por el trabajo que realizamos, tenemos que estar comprometidos y tenemos que sentirnos felices en la posición que desempeñamos.
Mis expectativas para el futuro en el Dorado Furniture es continuar trabajando, preparándome para poder aspirar a otras posiciones, crecer profesionalmente porque el Dorado nos da esa oportunidad.
Comencé en el Dorado como housekeeper en el 2010. Empezamos abriendo una tienda que iba a ser abierta en ese tiempo. Con mi experiencia y con el tiempo me promovieron a Head Housekeeper, que es la función que desempeño ahora en el área de mercancía.
Bueno, yo empecé en el Dorado Furniture como housekeeping. Después, al cabo de unos poquitos años, me dieron la oportunidad de ser supervisora del housekeeping, que me he sentido muy feliz y muy contenta, ya que he aprendido mucho. Tengo nuevas experiencias y que le doy muchas gracias a esta familia.
La parte favorita para trabajar en El Dorado, en la posición que estoy, es el tener la oportunidad de conocer a personas con diferentes caracteres, con personas maravillosas que se les queda a uno en el corazón.
Describirte al Dorado Furniture en una palabra yo diría familia, porque en el Dorado Furniture trabajamos contentos, trabajamos alegres, trabajamos motivados. Y es como sentirnos en casa porque el ambiente es bien familiar.
We hope you enjoyed learning more about the housekeeping position at El Dorado Furniture. Apply now, and we hope to see you soon as part of our El Dorado Furniture family.